Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to use Google Chrome browser new feature enhanced privacy settings. To use this, first you need to update your browser. Click on three dots, go to help and go to about Google Chrome. From here guys, you can easily able to update your browser. Okay, after updating, once again click on three dots. Now you need to open your settings. In these settings, here in the left panel you can get privacy and security option. Just click and open it, and in the right panel scroll down, here you can get the new feature add privacy. Just extend this, and here you can get three different option: add topics, site suggested, add measurement. So you need to turn off this three feature on your browser. So if you turn off the feature, so the web browser you are using, so it can't able to detect your online activity. So just you need to disable this all three option. So you can get all details about this feature here. As you can see, pause this video and read it and go back, and you need to open site suggested ads. Simply just turn off this and go back once again, and here you can get last option, add measurement. Just open it and simply turn off this. Okay, so this is the very important settings to turn off on your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so that's it today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.